Let us now make more concise code in Laravel. At we can use a reusable blade for our Laravel. For example, we can create a single view, single blade view for to make it reusable for our blades. So let's make a common blade for edit and create a blade. So under the views, we have here, okay, let's add one blade. Let's call this blade is form.blade.php. So then let's go to create blade, this one, and copy all, and then let's paste it here in our and then let's make this form a blade.php our template. So we can go first, we extend the layouts of our application, and then the next section is for the title. We can put here the is set. We can also put here is set, and then open and close parenthesis. For example, this, if this is a task, we can put this argument. We can add a task or edit task. Okay, so we are making a an option here. We can also put here the semicolon. So between these two, for our add task and edit task, or edit blade and create blade. Okay, then the next thing that we need to do is to for our method here. So we have here the form, the action, and let's put the action inside this ESET. Let's put here ESET yeah, and then task, this one, question mark. Okay, so we have here the we have here a option. So ESET route task can route, then close parenthesis. We can call this task. Okay, and then this is for the task update, for the update, and then let's put the parameter here. We need to pass the task, our ID that holds the ID. Then let's put the that variable task to our ID. Okay, then we have also route, yan, task a store for that. Okay, and then inside this division, or after this CSRF, we can put here an ESET directives, ESET, this one, and then let's put here the task. By putting the task here, and then if our is set, we can call it or we can put the method put method here, yeah, and set for and is set. Then for the input here is 1. Let's also put here the task title. Okay, so we have here for the input, for the value, we have an option. If it is the task title, let's put here task title. We are making an option here. You can put double question mark or the old data. Okay, so we need for update, of course, we need the title to be reflected to our form, and during the creation naman we want to hold the old data. Okay, and then here we can also put on our text area. So we have here for this one, we can put task and then description. Again, let's make this another one for our long description here. So let's copy it, paste, and I will long desk. Oops, sorry. This one, long desk. Okay, and then last one is for the button. So for the button, we have here the division, and then for submit, for add, we need submit. So here we can change this one. It depends on the form that we want to use. So let's create an isset. So we have here the task. Okay, update task for that button. Update. Let's put update, and let's also put an else here. Else is the other option. We have add task. Okay, and then is set. Okay, then after that to our so we have here long description, task long description, task description, task title. Okay, so I think we're now ready to apply this. So on our edit blade, we can go here and let's remove all this from section content. Let's remove this. Okay, so let's also remove this style. Cannot use this one. So again, we are making a reusable blade. So again, we extend our layout from our layouts.app. This is our blade app, and then we have a section here for the content. Okay, content. We have also a section and section. Let's remove this one. Content and end section. So inside this, we can include that we have an include. So let's include our form we created. That's our blade form. And then let's put here the bracket. Let's put our task, and then we're going to make this task. Okay, so task, and then for our create blade, let's go to create blade. Again, let's remove all this one, and also all this one. So we have here the layout. We extend the section. Let's remove our section here. For the content, let's include the include. Let's include the form we have. Okay. So we included this form we created a while ago. So this form blade. So this form blade is a reusable blade template that we use for edit and for create. So let's see if it is working. So let's update this one. Okay, and then let's select this one. So as you can see, nothing changes on the result, but we use no, the edit. Let's go to edit. As you can see, it's working. You can also um, edit it. Let's update this. So we have here an error. The put method is not supported for route task. Supported method get here. So let's see. Request capture. Make sure that our database is running. It's running. Is set. So let's remove this. It's task only. Okay. And then we have here task update. We are pertaining to a route. Our task that update route, and also our task. So let's check. It's working. So again, let's edit this one. I will put edit, and then edited. Sorry, let's update. So as you can see, it's edited. That's updated successfully. So what else? Now let's put a pagination. So pagination or pagination, we can use pagination here. So as you can see, the more the task we added in our application, we need to handle the pagination. So we can also limit, of course, the list of tasks here per page. So how can we do that? Let's go to our code on our web routes. For our routes, let's go to task. Here we have here the task, our task index. Where is the index? This one. Okay, so here as you can see, we get the latest and we get all. Okay, all the latest. So here let's change the get to paginate. paginate. Yes. So let's save this one. And what else? So we can also put here 10 so that the Laravel automatically divide the list of tasks we have into 10. Okay, so let's go back to our code and let's refresh. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10. So that's the we use, no, that we get only 10 page, no, the latest 10 page of our Laravel. So the Laravel automatically divide the list of tasks in 10 per view. Okay, so let's now put the in our index, let's put here the links, okay, that we need to put. Okay, so in our index blade here, so we can put here under, so we have if statement or directives. If statement here, that task, if our task count count all, yeah, count, let's put a nav bar here, yeah, and inside this double quotation, let's say task links, this one. So we have links here, and then end if. Okay, and then to our show, let's try it first. Okay, so let's refresh this one. So as you can see, automatically the Laravel will put here a next button. So we have, and giving us the how many how many tasks we have in our application. Okay, so let's also put a button, or create a button here uh, to add or to edit. For example, if I click this one, I want to edit this one, so we need to have a button here that we can click, so that we can able to edit this particular task we have. So in our code, we can go to our show blade, and here we can this one, we can put here the we can put here a division. Okay, div, this one, and then inside this we can put an a, and then let's pass here the task, that's with s. This is a route. Let's put the route also, route, this one, and then copy this one inside task edit, and then let's have a comma and then bracket. So again, we always do this, no, in our code, so it's important to know this. So we have here the task again, and then we put, or we can simply put the task only. Okay, and then we have also here an A, this one. Okay. So inside this, we put the word edit. Yeah. So edit. So we have edit. Okay. And then for the form, uh, let's have, let's also, by the way, let's remove this one. Automatically the Laravel knows that this task is the ID that we want to uh, delete. Okay, so what else? We can also add to our index another button here. We can add in add task. Okay, so after the content, so we can put here a division. Okay, and inside this the same. Okay, and href, we can also put here the double curly braces, and inside this a route again, and then we are calling in the route name. So let's put the task that create. We are um, um, saying that we need to go to create when we click this button add task. Okay, so let's try. Let's go back here. Let's go to task. This one. So as you can see, whenever I click this, it will redirect to our create page. Okay. What else? We also have, for example, we want to edit this. So layout. Let's go to our code. Edit. We have here a task form. Show this one. Let's remove this one for layout and refresh this. So as you can see, we have edit. So when we want to edit this, let's click this one, and automatically will give us the edit section. So sample edit. Okay, let's update this one. So as you can see, sample edit and updated successfully. Now for example, we want to mark this task as a completed. So we will be needing a button that can mark this task completed. Okay, so we can go to our task here, to our task. Let's create a class, no? That whenever we ask for this class, it will save or change the status of the or of our column, no, on our database. So let's call this as public function. Let's create a function, and let's make a name. We'll call this a toggle complete for the name, and then we also have a curly braces for this, and inside this we can also put code here. that this, okay, completed and pertaining to the database we have equals to this, the state, the current state, meaning is we are pertaining to the current state when we are stating the this. We have completed, com- completed here. Don't forget the semicolon, and of course, don't forget to save this. Uh, Save, and then this one. Okay, so we have the function for toggle complete. Whenever we ask this, it will give this, or it will change the state of our completed, or yeah, our column completed, no? So on our uh, web routes, we can uh, create a put here. So let's create a put routes for our toggle. um, let's copy this one, or let's copy this one. Okay, copy, then paste. Don't forget to change the name. Let's call this task toggle complete. So we have the name, we have also the task, and then we can go to toggle complete, toggle complete. We also need the model we have, that is task, and then let's pass here the function we created a while ago. So our the name of our function is toggle complete, as you can see here, and then it will redirect back. So let's redirect it back. We have command back. Okay, and then we have with, so with success message, let's change this task completed. Yeah, task completed, completed. Okay, so have that. So whenever we call this task, um, it will change the status of that completed column we have. Okay, uh, let's try this. Let's check. Okay, let's refresh. So uh, mm, task toggle complete. We return redirect success with the success message or flash message. We put here task toggle complete. So let's go to show blade. Let's see. Let's put this. Let's yeah, let's put the toggle to our code here. We have here, let's create a toggle. We have href, route edit, and then task for our edit. And then let's have let's have a form here. Okay, so this form has a method post. Okay, and then let's put action here. Whenever we use this form, we are directly go to the URL of that task, the routes of our task, toggle complete. Okay, and then we pass the ID. Okay, and task. Okay, so we can by the way, we can call this a form. Yeah, and inside this, let's put CRSF. Let's also put the method, no? So let's put here, and finally we can make a button here. This button has a type. This is a submit button. Then what else? Inside this, of course, we can put mark as then the status, of course. Let's call task completed, or let's put here a not completed, or let's put completed. So that's the two option we have: complete, completed. Okay, and then let's try it. Go to this, let's refresh this one. So as you can see, mark as completed. Okay, so we have here the put method, our 404 not found. So let's check the toggle complete. So we have here tasks, toggle complete. Let's check toggle complete, task, toggle complete, toggle complete, task complete. Let's check the So show message. So we have here the tasks we created. This is an action, push, post. This is a put method, and then submit class form. Mhm. Task completed. Okay. Uh, task completed. Let's put also a this one here. Let's put here another paragraph. Okay. Then uh, we can put here the task created. Let's created task created at in Laravel we have diff for diff for humans. Okay, different for humans, and we can also put asterisk updated again, and let's put this one, copy, paste it here. This is created, let's make updated at. Okay, so and then we also have here a if condition. So if task, this one is completed, else we have else. Okay, if our task is completed, let's put span here. Span, let's try this. Completed, and of course we have else, span, we are not completed, okay. So we have here the edit, action, pause, action, this a route, task, toggle, complete. Let's check the task. This is toggle complete. This toggle complete here. Toggle complete, we have task, We have here put method button submit mark as done. Task completed, not completed. So let's check. um, hmm, let's try it. uh-huh. It's task. Okay, so we have here, let's edit this. Hmm, created task created at difference for humans. Mm-hmm. Mm, completed. Before humans. Mm, let's remove this one. Task created at task updated. So this one. This one. Okay. As you can see, different from humans. Let's check it. It's up refresh. So as you can see, the state of this is not completed. So every time we click, we get an error. So let's check the toggle routes we have. So on our web, this is our toggle. Ah, so let's check. Let's put, or let's change this to put, not delete. Okay, not delete. My bad. Okay, so let's go again to our code, and let's go back to our index page. So I want to mark this as completed, so I will click again. So we have 404. uh-huh and we have here the 404. We have put task uh, okay, toggle complete, that's the name. Function, we call the task. So the task toggle complete, we return the direct back with success message. Now for the toggle complete. So let's change the orientation of this. I will make this on the bottom. So task, we pass that task. Then we have function, task toggle complete. That's our function. Okay, so let's try it again. So again, let's go here. For example, I'll click this. I want to mark this. So we are getting error here. Alright. To in our index, let's go index lead, add this one is admin task. We created here task, href route task show, task title. We also have here the count. There's no task available. Show blade. Here we have app, task title, content, task description, we have task description, task long description, we have the task created or updated. So it's whenever we toggle complete, we have, oh, this is not an action, this is a method. Ay. So let's put here method. Okay, let's try it again for the last time. Let's remove this one, task. I want to update this. I will mark this as complete. Oops, model this. Oh, this is not at sign, this is a dollar sign. So let's go back to our task. This is not an at sign, this is a dollar sign. And then let's go back again, refresh, continue. So as you can see, complete, not complete, mark as completed, or mark as not completed. So as you can see, we're changing the status of our this boolean, no? So let's try it again, edit. So we have here, let's add update task, then updated successfully. Let's mark this completed, task completed, and that's it. Okay, so now for the last that we need to do is to apply some CSS framework. So let's apply some Tailwind design to our website. By the way, Tailwind is a CSS framework, so you can go to their website. Okay, so let's go to their website. So in our website, let's go to CSS here. So let's go to the documentation. By the way, if you want to know more about Tailwind, you can um, explore it. So in this tutorial, we can apply the Play CDN here, designed for the development purpose only. So we can go to this, and we can now copy this script, no? So let's copy this script to our app blade. So let's go to our code. Let's go to app blade, and inside our to-do list, after our title, let's go, or let's paste the tailwind. Okay, so after that, let's try to apply this, no? In the body section, let's put a class here, and then we can say container. Okay, max auto, margin top also. We can also put margin top 10. We can also max width large natin. Okay, for the H1, for our title, let's make a class here, and we can say the text is 2XL, and we need a margin bottom 4. Okay, for our title. So let's go to our app. Let's go to our app. So then let's changes. So as you can see, we have now the pagination is already changes. We also have here the list of tasks is not the same to this, and also this one. Okay, so let's apply more to our index. Let's go to our index website, and for let's add to emphasize that this is a button. Let's create a or let's put a class here. Okay, so inside this class, we have font, let's say medium, hyphen medium. Okay, and the text is we can put gray, and then the slate is, or the opacity is 700, and then underline, let's put underline. Okay, and then we can also put decoration. I think that's decoration. We put green, and then we have 500 for the color. Okay, so let's go back here, refresh the page, and then boom, as you can see, that's the red button and the grayish color of that button. Okay, for our add new. So okay, so as you can see, by default the CDN for Tailwind is affecting our website, but don't worry, later on I will show you how to handle this. Okay, so let's go back first to this. Okay, after we put that, let's continue. In our mm, let's also put color, no, for our completed task. So here we can have the href. The other way, by the way, the other way to apply our uh, class, no, as you can see here, we can put a directive, okay, a class, okay, as you can see. Let's call this this is a specific class, no. Let's put a line through to our um, completed task we have. We need to know, no, the if the task is completed. Okay, so let's put a font bold here, and then by the way, let's remove this one. We have also text, also a green, and let's say 600. Okay, so let's try this. Refresh. You can see a, yeah, this one to the completed task. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of completed tasks in our uh, text. Okay, so for example, this one is not completed. Mark not complete. So not completed. Let's check this. Let's go back to task, and then let's find it. Oh, I think we apply all to all the tasks. Let's go back to our code. We have here the class, we have the task ID, we also have a class line through font green text. Oh, so we have here true, but before this, let's say, let's change this one. Let's put task here. Okay, and then completed. Okay, so as you can see, we have completed. Let's try to go back here and refresh. Okay, so that's it. Only the completed task will have this line through green to our task. So see, so for example, this one is completed. So let's mark this not completed. Okay, it's not completed, and let's go back to the task page. So as you can see, we got this. Okay, what else? So we let's mark this completed, and let's go back to our page. Sorry, to task page. So as you can see, it's completed. Okay, sige. So now let's add some style for general use. Okay, put that Okay, let's go back to our code. So here we put the medium gray, the line through, what else? Oh, we can also put here to our uh, navigation. So let's put here a class, and let's margin top 4. Okay, margin top 4 for our links. So as you can see here, it will have another um, let's reset this one. Yeah, so let's refresh this. Okay, so as you can see, we also have this margin tab 4. Okay, to emphasize or to give space to our to this one. Okay, what else? On our up blade, uh, we can also apply some general uh, style for this using that tailwind. Um, we can go to blade, and then let's put here a style on our script, after our script. So we will be needing here a comment so that the tailwind will know. So let's have a, by the way, control uh, control shift, control backslash to give a comment. So let's label this is a blade formatter, formatter, is it disable to remove conflict. Let's copy this one and paste it here. Let's also formatter enable after using this. Okay, so we have disable and enable. So inside this, we can create, or we can put our style. Okay, so I'm putting style here, and the type of this style is text, tailwind, CSS. So that's the and then let's have our button. For all the button, we can create this. Okay, for all the button, we can apply. Yeah, that's apply. And then let's put rounded MD px2 p1. We want to make our text on the center. We have the font medium, also the text slate 700. For the shadow, to hover, I think shadow, we have small, we also have ring, slate 700, and for hover we want a it's late 50. So let's check this. Let's check this one. So let's apply this to all the button we have. So we have button uh, to our app blade. We have here a I'm sorry, to our show. We have a button here. This is a button delete. So let's put class, then let's put that. We also have a task here. Let's put the class here for our edit. Let's check the changes. So let's sample. Yeah, as you can see, we have here a button for edit. Let's also put mark as done, mark as completed. So here, mark as completed. This is a button. Let's put a class here. Okay, and by the way, let's put some flex yeah. Okay, so in our index we can also put by the way, let's change this as nav. Okay, and then let's put the class here, margin bottom and be 4, and to our add new button, I think it's okay for that. Class margin tab, we have also task completed, the title. Okay, so let's also put a link, by the way. Let's check it first. So refresh. So as you can see, we have edit, mark as completed, and this one. So let's also apply some decoration here. For example, let's add the opacity here. Let's 10% opacity. Not for this. To this one. Let's put 10% here. Okay. Let's refresh. Okay, as you can see. And then let's since we are applying the other line to our button, so we can put it here, no? So let's make link. It's a link, and then inside this we can apply. Okay, font, medium, we have medium, have text gray, and then 700 underline decoration. So we have green, we have also 500. Okay, so what else? Let's also go to our index and let's apply this here, this one. So let's remove this and let's call that style link, the name of our style. And also green, so we have here, we have also here. So let's try to check this. It's the same. Yeah, as you can see, this one. Okay, okay, now let's create a button also to our show page. So let's go here. Let's add a button here that we can go back to our index blade, so we have here, for example, we have here a division. Okay, and then inside this we have href, and let's call this go back to task list, and then let's apply that for our button. Let's apply that href. Let's whenever we click this, we are going to route and then the name of the route. So we want to go to task index, and then let's also add class here. So let's put yung link of our class. Okay, let's try. For example, so as you can see, we'll go back, select, go back. Okay, it's good. Then what else? We can also have here for our paragraph. Let's apply some code here. Let's add from class margin bottom. I think we need the margin bottom for we need also a text slate 700. Okay, so let's copy this one and apply also to our long description. So another class for our paragraph, and then we also have here created. Let's apply this again here. Let's make this 500. Empty text small. Let's make this small. Okay, and then 500. What else? We have also here for our span. Let's when it's completed, let's say that we need a font medium, and the text is green with the 500. It's completed. Let's copy this one, and for the span not completed, let's change the green to red. Yeah, it's not completed. Okay, and also uh, we can also have here the different. This is a task edit. Okay, sige. Let's remove this forms. Okay, these forms, the opening and closing. Okay, so mm, sorry. We have division for mm, let's create here a, or let's apply some uh, flex box. Let's call class, and we need to have flex. We have gap 2 for our button. Okay, for our button. So we have first the a href, and we have edit button also, and inside this division, let's remove this. Okay, and this one, let's remove this one. So we have div opening form, closing, opening, closing, and then let's put our button. It's already there. Button, it's already there. Okay, so let's check it. Let's refresh. By the way, that's inside the show, so not completed. And as you can see, using the flex box, we already put this. So let's edit. Yeah. Okay. So now, for the label and text area, we will now create also a general CSS class for them. So again, let's go to our app blade here, that we can also put here the label. Let's put label here. Let's put label, and let's apply. Okay, let's block uppercase text slate 700, margin bottom 2 for our label. Okay, for the input, including the text area, of course, text area, yeah, we can apply shadow, small, appearance. We can also put none. We have border. This is the properties of a text area and input box. We have border with full, and then by 2 px3, we can also put text slate. I think 700 is enough. Leading tight, then focus. Okay, outline. Okay, then lastly, for the error, for the error, We can also put here for the our error message here, no? So we can also put here apply text red 500 text small. Yeah. So by the way, we can now go to our form here. So we can now remove this style, get rid of this section. Okay, let's move this. And then we can also add here in our input this one. So let's put a class. So the class of this for the error, okay, let's put here a at class, yeah, and then open and close bracket. Inside this we have a border, yeah, red, and then 500. Okay, and then let's error errors has let's put the title here. We are passing the error now to the title, okay, and value title. We can also have here title class. Let's remove this. Let's change this error to error to error. Let's change this, and the last one, this one. Okay, so I think we're can go back here and then refresh this. Okay, so as you can see, updated successfully. As I see, we go back to the basic style we have. So meaning there's an error to our code. Okay. So again, focus. I'm sorry. Focus. So in our content here, more space. Content, we have method here. We have action is a task. Div. Let's put here a class also. Margin bottom for the title. Also label for title. For the input, we use at errors, border red, 100 errors has title, and then we also have the value equals task title or all view. So class error, we have message, and then for the description, the text area, name, description, ID, description, row, row, we have 5, and then description, error message, at error. So let's put here at error. After description here. Okay. So let's put at class. Let's put border with 500. The same to this. Let's copy. Then paste it here. Let's change the title to description. Okay, so let's copy again this one. Also add this to our, and let's change the name. We have also the error message. Okay, so what else? We have also here, by the way, let's create a class here to our update task and add task. Let's make a flex box. We put items in the center, and then we have gap 2. Okay, and then for the button, we can call here a class. A class. We need a type here, and then for the class btn for the button. We have is set. Okay, let's try to check it again. So we have sample code. Let's go back to our, let's already have an error. We have also here by the way, let's put here a button again that we can refer href. This route is we want to cancel, for example. So route, let's go to route name, that's task index, this one, and then we can also put here, can also put here a class at we can apply the btn. Let's put here cancel, So let's check this. Let's click edit, and then as you can see we'll have cancel. So let's go back. Okay, it's good. So it's cancel. Yeah, cancel only. Okay, now to our showbo. Let's check this. We have here a button or link. We have for the content, we have div. So let's put here, let's add a class here, the margin bottom for. Okay, check task route index class button, and then we have the paragraph class, have task for description. We also have if statement tasks, long description. For the P paragraph for long description, we have this, and B text late 700. Then another paragraph, text small. We have text small, and then text is small, text slate 500. Okay, we also have task completed. Let's make this on inside the paragraph. Okay, so paragraph. Okay, so we have here, and if task, let's put class here also, bottom, margin bottom for task completed. We have completed, else not completed. Font class, so flex, route edit. We have also a class for button. We have, let's try it. So show, still have a problem because it's not applying the style. Let's check first. We have here edit. So we have edit, class edit, form method, we have post, action, task toggle complete. Okay, CSRF, we have put, button, type, submit, class, btn, mark as complete, form action, destroy, method pause, CSRF, deleted or delete. We have also button, submit, class button. I think it's okay. For the app, we have here error, text small. We have also here for the link, decoration green 500, uppercase. I'm sorry, the out focus outline none. It's none. Okay. And then we have error text red small. Let's check. It's again it's not okay. So we have here tailwind, we have link, we have button, we have label input, text area. Oh, this is a text area. Yeah, it's text area. Shadow appearance, non-border with full EX text late 700, leading type focused, outline none. Let's apply, apply. Then we have to yield also here, style. It's styles. 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 So we have a problem here. So as you can see, if we run our app, uh, the Tailwind CSS framework is not working, as you can see. So uh, let's check first the style we apply a while ago. So let's go to this app blade template. So upon checking, I have error here. So this will be a outline, not O line. It's outline. So let's check it again. Let's check it again. Refresh, and as you can see, we have the we apply again the tailwind CSS. So if you click this, you will see it's all apply all the style we have inputted a while ago. So we have go back task here. So we have add new task here, and we have also for the input box text areas we have here, and we have also the add task and cancel. Okay, then we have the pagination, this one. So we're going to have another or let's put some style to our flash message. So if you add a new task, we will have a plus message in our system. So if I add task, you will receive this flash So we have here our direct task show ID. This is task. Okay. Let's refresh. So as you can see, we have this created successfully. So let's try to put some style to this flash message. So I want to, by the way, I want to introduce Alpine JS. This is a JavaScript framework. No? So let's go to Alpine .js. This one. So this is a JavaScript framework. So we can apply this using this script. We can have, or let's copy this one and paste it on our app blade. So here at the bottom of this script from the tailwind. So after that, I will copy. No? I will copy the, and I will give you the copy of this. I will copy uh, so I have here the, let's remove this one from this. Let's remove our session, this one. This is our session message, or this handles the flash message we have. So I will copy and paste. I will remove this comment, and then I will put this one, the highlighted one. So we're going to create a flash message. So let's try it again. So let's refresh, let's edit, let's try to put update here. So as you can see, success, updated successfully. And then we have here a closing button if you can remove. What else? We have also for the add new task. This is a title, add task. As you can see, we have success message and then created successfully. So that's the power of Alpine JS, a JavaScript framework. So that's all, and thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you enjoy this and if you learn to this video, kindly subscribe and share this to your friends. Thank you.